Hi everyone, we recently got this Dyson Coral, so this is how it looks. We'll open it now. So you have to remove it from cover like this, and it is in a box like this. We have collected all the accessories in here. Now we have opened it. This is how the Dyson looks like. So we'll open it now. There is a button in here. If we push it, it will open. And there is a power button, and there is a plus button and a minus button. If I click on this power button to switch it on, you have to long press, and it shows the battery in here. It shows that it is in the flight mode. So normally when we receive it, it comes in the flight mode. What we have to do to start is we have to rotate it. If you order online specially, then it comes in the flight mode. This is the flight mode, and see the arrow is here. If you push it like this, and you have to rotate it. Now you have to make sure that it is on the green side now. If you click it and rotate it and now turn on the power button, you will see that it has switched on now. There is this plus button. It has 3 temperature settings: 165, 185 and 210. You can set any temperature according to your requirement. Right now if I want 185, I will keep it on 185 and we'll wait. So you have to wait for 1 minute, and you will see that this 185 will be set on its own. I have purchased it from an online platform. It is available on Nykaa. It is also available on Myntra. We can see a tick sign here which shows that okay, my straightener has started now. So now it has been started, and you can straighten your hair. It is very simple to use, and you can always turn on or change the temperature settings even once it is set. And we can switch it off from here. If you switch off the power button, if you click on it, it will get switched off. You have to switch it off like this, and you have to press the button like this. Now we will see what more accessories came with it. It has a wireless charger which is like this, and there is one more accessory over here. So I will tell you how we can assemble this. So you can keep it here, and there is this plate which you have to fix like this, and you can keep the Dyson here. So this is a wireless straightener. You can use it wireless. So I have tried it out, and it works for half an hour without the charging. It also comes with this beautiful case, so it is very easy for you to travel. You can fold it and you can carry it like this comfortably. A charging wire comes along with Dyson. So whenever you are charging the Dyson, you have to keep it on the stand like this, and there is a button at the back where it gets stuck, and you can see that a red light turns on here which shows that it is charging, and when this light will turn off and turn green, it means it is fully charged. Also, if many people are using Dyson at one time and you don't have enough charging, you can simply plug this wire here, and then you can use the Dyson normally as you are using. The red light means that it is on now, and we'll turn the power button. So you will see with this wire also you can use it, and wireless also you can always use it. Along with it, I got a free case from Dyson, which is a beautiful storage box. If you open it, it has a space. You can just keep your Dyson here like this, and you can keep it in your closet, storage box, anywhere. It retails around 39,000, and it is available on Nykaa and Myntra. You can get great deals if you check on the sale. Thank you.